Yo, I'm Chris, Flame-Based Roberts, and today I'm at Gozney HQ cooking up one of my favourite dishes, chicken parm on a pizza in the dome. Let's do this, baby. So the first step to a chicken parm is bash the chicken. I hate cling film. You can take out all your frustrations of the day. And you know, I'm not going to bash it too thin because I just want to keep this juicy to cooking on a bit of a higher temp. Let's make an egg wash. Egg done. Go for any breadcrumbs you like, you know, use stale bread, whiz it up in your blender, but I've gone for panko, and for me, essential, this like really quality orange as I highly doubt that there's any bread actually in these crumbs, and I want to turbocharge these breadcrumbs with some Parmigiano. And doesn't matter if you get like broken pieces like this, you know, they'll just turn into some gnarly, crispy chicken parm chicken, chicken parm chicken, chicken parm chicken, chicken parm, chicken parm, chicken parm chicken. You want every part of the chicken to be covered. Now, gonna wash my hands. That can chill for a bit. So for this chicken parm pizza, I just want to turbocharge the tomato sauce a bit, you know. So, I'm gonna go in with the cold pan, bit of oil, in with some chili and some garlic, and we'll fry that off. Just while the chili and garlic coming up to temp, pick some thyme. You know, chicken parm is my all-time favourite dish. Just sweat them down a bit, and in with some tomato, bit of salt, and that thyme. Really simple. Ow! Cast iron gets hot in the dough, man. Oh, smells good. Smells good. Just squash those tomatoes. So let's fry this chicken. I'm putting it into a cold pan and into the oven. Now for this, you just want a low heat, you know, you don't want a ferocious, hot sizzle. You don't want to burn the breadcrumbs. So just let it chill. Take its time, you know, probably like 5 minutes aside, and give it a baste now and again. Don't take your eye off the ball, you know. Here, you want to just look after the chicken. That chicken parm is your baby. Look after it. Once that chicken's in the oil in the pan, you don't want to be moving around and checking it and prodding it, because you're just going to destroy the crust. Let it develop a nice crispy crust, because what's a chicken parm with a shit soggy crust, man? It's nothing.
Do you like that? Huh? I knew you would.
Chicken parm chicken, chicken parm chicken, chicken parm, chicken parm, chicken parm chicken. Wood roasted chicken parm fillet, yes. Drain off on the paper. So let's build this pizza. Mozzarella, the chicken on, parm, and a few splodges of the tomato sauce. That should congeal nicely with the cheese. Okay, let's go to the dome. Woo! I mean, that's really cool though, you know. Oh, looks good. Yeah. Chicken parm on a pizza. Collision of two worlds. I'm loving how this chicken parm pizza has came out. Let's just finish off with a bit of Parmesan rain. I love it. Now I want to burn the roof of my mouth trying that now. Get the Gozney rocker. And you know it, for the recipe, go to gozney.com. Morning, Dave. Green love you, Gozney. As well as for love Gozney. You gotta try it, man. You gotta try it, and just pimping up that tomato sauce is worth it. You know, if you just put a bit of love into the prep, you know, you're rewarded tenfold in the end. A KFC mini fillet made love with an Adam Matstein's peddling pizza and made this like crazy chicken parm, baby. Big love peddling pizza. Flame booster out, big love. Now I've got a 7-hour train back to Bangor in North Wales. Chicken parm on a pizza. You know, sorry. Yes, that's what we do. Yes.
Do you like that? Huh? I knew you would.
Chicken parm chicken, chicken parm chicken, chicken parm chicken parm chicken parm chicken.